I am Dr. Uwakwe Stephen, the lab coordinator of Electronic Engineering Laboratories. I'm the chief technologist, and here in this building, we have about 5 laboratories. We have our digital lab, we have our computer lab, we have our telecommunication laboratory, we have our control, we have our junior labs, and we probably have an LNG sponsored laboratory. Here we handle students, electronic engineering students in third year and fourth year laboratory courses in these areas I've mentioned. And our main aim is to expose students to the practical teachings of the learning principles in these areas. And here we handle the students in this particular. In fact, if you go outside, you see students that already engage in both fourth year and third year practical courses that runs every day.